Okay, guys, I have traveled around 2.5 kilometers, but there's no clue of my colleagues, so they must have gone a bit more ahead. Yeah, because while traveling, a gap of half an hour is too much. Yeah, so this place was nice, the surrounding was good, so I just wanted to catch it for you people. Yeah, just see, this forest is very nice. It must be kept and preserved. Yeah, I see these signs of some vehicles coming on this track. This is a bit surprising, but because this was a walking track, so I think there must be some locals who might be coming to this area, and I don't know what they are doing with this jungle. Yeah, because there are timber mafia, there are timber smugglers everywhere. So it is possible that people can cut these beautiful trees. Just watch the surrounding, people. Just watch the surrounding, huh? It's so nice. It's so nice. Yeah. And there are buyers of timber everywhere. So I think these signs of the tires show that there could be an involvement of timber smugglers. Yeah, this place is nice, and there's a village close by. I just heard some kids' voice. I think it's about a kilometer or half kilometer below this area. So, oh God, look at the view. Look at the view. Oh God. Oh God. So guys, talk to you again, huh? In between, I'm trying to run as well because I have to catch people. I have to be with them. I came here for a group hike, not this solo. Oh my God, this is muddy, and because it just poured in the morning, there was a heavy rain, so this is risky. Okay, see you people. I'm stopping my run. I'm going to walk. Yeah.